Good morning, students. As in English, revision is going on and we are revising tenses. So, today we'll revise continuous tenses. Alright, so let's begin with present continuous tense. Guys, present continuous tense is used for something that is happening at the time of speaking. Okay, as we are revising continuous tenses, so very first you have to clear this thing that you have to use ing form. Okay, now we are talking about present continuous tense. So in this tense we use helping verb is mr plus first form of the verb plus ing, means along with is mr we write ing forms. Okay, with singular subject we use is and ing form, and with plural subject we use are then ing form. As you can see in this picture, the examples, just see. Now give the answer of this question. What is he doing? So many ing verbs are written over there. As you can frame the sentences, he is reading, he is writing, he is drawing, he is climbing, he is running, he is swimming. Alright, so these are the examples of present continuous tenses. Move on the next, that is past continuous tense. Okay guys, past continuous tense tells us about actions which continued over a period of time in the past. Okay, and how to frame it? As I told that in continuous tense, always remember that you have to use verb plus ing. Now only we have to change the auxiliary verb. As in present tense we have used is mr, but in past tense we will use was or were. Okay, with singular subject we will use was, and with plural subject we will use were. Now see the examples of past continuous tense. See this picture. In this picture, see what the boy is saying. He is saying that I was running. And what the dog is doing? The dog was barking. What the cat was doing? The cat was watching. All these sentences are the examples of past continuous tense. Okay, now we will move on the next one, that is future continuous tense. Guys, future continuous tense tells us about an action that will be going on at some time in the future. Okay, how to frame the sentence in future continuous tense? We'll use will be or shall be. With I or we will use shall be, and with you, they, he, she, it we use will be, and the base form of the verb then ing. See these examples of future continuous tense. See this one, I will be jumping. Now the next one, I will be staying here until Sunday. The postman will be coming soon. Okay, so these are the examples of future continuous tense. I hope that the concept is clear to you all.